sirs, kahit kanino po. Ang question po natin dito is something about the fishing season na marami ho mga empleyado ng planta at mga kaning fishing company ang maapektuhan for 3 months. What will be the other alternative pagkikitaan ho ng ating mga empleyado, mga contract workers sa mga planta? Ano pong pwede mai-alok ng gobyerno para dito sa tulong? Kasi ang dami pong empleyado throughout the different plants dito sa Zamboanga. So kahit sino po pwedeng sasagot dito sa ating question. Ano pong pwede maibigay ng ating government para maiangat naman kay papano for 3 months kasi may mga pamilya dito? Thank you.
I'll take this opportunity to answer your question because I was the one who discussed that particular topic a while ago. Nagkakaroon tayo ng, I was informed by the Vice Mayor Baby Pareha that every year there is a closed season or off-season of 3 months na hindi pwedeng mangisda ng sardines, no? Dahil pinapalago muna sila. And then, during that 3 months sa period o off-season, ang maraming mga ahensya nagbibigay ng tulong, kagaya ng DOLE, yung nagbibigay ng tupad, meron ding mga municipal help na ginagawa. Pero this comes in the form of dole-outs. Whatever form it is still a dole-out. So, as much as possible, we want to avoid that because the thrust of helping the people should be give them alternative source of income. Just sa ano na yan, sa off-season na yan, doon nga napun ako na yun palang aquaculture already consists of around 57% of the total fish production in the country. So why don't we encourage these workers to engage into aquaculture rather than go out on the open seas? And we have a very big organization, the SOFIL, which can probably initiate a move or a project that will give them this kind of aquaculture business. So pwedeng ganon. And it was also informed, si Vice Mayor Pareha also informed me that they have already designated some uplands for them to engage into agriculture and farming. So meron silang mga pananim na pagka yung off-season nila ay nagkakaroon sila ng alternative